Hey y'all, it's your girl G and I'm back with another video. We have brown sugar peach cobbler turnovers and I'm going to show y'all how I make this. First I'm going to start off with about 1/4 cup of brown sugar, then 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Then we're going to add about 1 cup of peach pie filling. Before combining the mixture, you'll see me kind of smash some of the pieces as if I'm slicing them because I prefer smaller slices of peaches in the mixture. Now I'm going in with about 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, and you can add as much as you like based on your taste preference. Now I'm going to lay out about 1 sheet of puff pastry. Now I'm taking a thin knife to create nicely sized squares in order to fold our turnovers. Now I'm going to take 1 egg and I'm going to beat it together so that we can create a nice egg wash to fold our turnovers. Next, we're going to bring our peach mixture back and we're going to spread nice spoonfuls all around the middle of each square. Now we're going to bring our egg mixture back so that we can add and brush the egg mixture all around the edges to help our turnovers fold. After adding the egg wash, I'm going to take each corner and align it with the opposite corner in order to fold the turnovers. Now I'm going to take my fork and press all around the edges of the turnover so that they stay together, and it also gives it kind of a cute design. Now I'm going to place each turnover on some parchment paper lightly greased with olive oil. Now it's time to bring back the egg wash, and we're going to lightly brush each turnover with the egg wash so that it browns nicely in the oven. Now we're going to stick these in the oven for about 360 for about 20 minutes. Now to start off for our glaze, we're going to start off with 1 cup of powdered sugar, then add 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. After stirring up our glaze, we're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor. Now for our final step, we're going to drizzle the glaze all over the turnovers, and now we have beautiful brown sugar peach cobbler turnovers. Add some ice cream with some caramel and it is good to serve. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for new videos.